Bitcoin 1,200% in 60 days? What's going on in the crypto market? You wanna know everything? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News with Rodrigo Arnedo, your host for the most. Today, we're gonna tell you everything. Remember that we told you in previous videos we were in our way to 100K. Also, did you watch already Nexus video? You should, and also then retweet our tweet about it. If you wanna help us, then watch the video and do that. Thank you very much. But remember that in that 100K video, we told you about elections and how we're following this path and also the path from the last halving. If you saw that already today, we go a step further with this channel, Bitcoin Kruger. Really interesting one. I'm gonna leave you the link in the description below in case you wanna follow it. But Altcoin Daily talk about it and this crazy idea that I wanna share with you. Do you know that in the last bull runs, the last time Bitcoin went crazy up, the last 60 days were the craziest? Well, this might happen again in the next cycle. So we have to be in the market. The final idea here is that it's going to be very difficult if you are out of the market to be into the market when this happens. So you better be there. In 2013 to 14, you can see it here. Also in 2017 and in 2021, you can see the last moment for that bull run is the craziest one. And of course, I went to TradingView and I go deeper into these charts as just myself do on the crypto YouTube world. So you can see here in 2013 that we went up this 1,200% in the last 60 days. Also, if we go to 2017, you can see it's at 230%. And if we go to the last time in 2021, you can see it's 118% in 60 days. If we go to another chart with all them together, well, you can see where are we right now and where were we in the past and how we had these moments at the very end of the cycles. Also, not just once, but I have here extra. We have 2 times in 60 days, so close that we were 1,200% up. Also here 2 times close, we were 225% up. And here 2 times we were 114%. So this is something that happens not just once, Kruger and Altcoin Daily, but twice with my crazy charts. So yeah, we'll see about this. I wanted to share this information with you, but again, watch all these YouTubers, be ready for the market because it might explode and the last days might be crazy. We need Bitcoin to go higher in order to leave that. And right now we are having a week with a lot of volatility. We'll still beyond these lines that we are following. And today everybody's looking at United States and the CPY data. We'll see if Jerome Powell has or hasn't good news. So everybody's recommending us to wait till the candle closes today. Expect volatility around the time Jerome Powell speaks. And maybe 61,500 is the point that we have to motorize. Titan of Crypto telling us here it's a very important point. In a day that we have inflows yesterday in the ETFs, so that's okay. And that we knew that Salim Rajim will be the next Vanguard CEO. Why is this important? Because Vanguard is against crypto, and now this guy was BlackRock's global ETF business head. So he knows a lot about that. So maybe Vanguard now, they are hiring him in order to let Vanguard into the ETF world. That's huge. Also huge that the state of Wisconsin investment board just disclosed a 162 million Bitcoin ETF holding in the ECC filings. So you can see here a federal nation-state adoption. That's crazy. And Michael Saylor saying about this, there are thousands of pension funds in the United States managing 27 trillion in assets. They are all going to need some Bitcoin. There's no for everybody. And also about companies, Boston hedge fund Bracebridge Capital has invested 363 million on various Bitcoin ETFs. So yeah, We'll see if all these companies come into the ETFs world, like the Japanese company MetaPlanet, holding now over 117 Bitcoin worth $72 million. There's just uh, some Bitcoin out there, and not everybody might have in the future. The country that is going to have maybe is going to be the richest country in the world. It's going to be El Salvador. They just made nearly 474 Bitcoin worth 29 million using volcano fuel geometrical power in the last 3 years, according to Reuters. So, congratulations to Najib Bukele in El Salvador. The market today is fighting for the green. We're still greedy out there. Ethereum found resistance in the 3,000 as we expected. And in the bubbles, you can see that today is a meme-com day with Floki, Bonk, and Pepe going up, but not the dog with the hat. Crazy world out there that you have to follow with Dexters.io. And today, you see in the hot pairs, DAM. What is DAM? Well, remember we told you yesterday about GME, and you can see how the stock market, and not just the stock market, but the token is going up. We have GME with this crazy rise. And we have some homework for today, which is watching this movie called precisely, not in Spanish is Golpe a Wall Street, but in English, it's called Damn Money. And that's why you see Damn versus Sol there on the number one in the hot pairs. And Ibachunas telling us how crazy was the stock market with GME and AMC. They had to halt the trading several times with both of them. And not just for them, also for Pepe. Crazy stuff. You can see we are in an all-time high. So my investment is not bad right now. We're still having a good time. Is Pepe leading this bull run in the altcoins? Because in the past, used to be Dogecoin, the one that was the first. So we'll see about that in the next show. But Elon Musk, the father of Dogecoin, somehow, well, he's so happy because there's this company, cruises around the world, and they are using Starlink. But also is not happy because he has to meet Gary Gensler from the SEC. Elon Musk is ordered to testify in the SEC investigation into his 44 billion Twitter acquisition. So we'll see about that. And consider, we told you everything about dextools.io and how you have to follow the crazy market there, because we have, since April, 1 million new tokens in the market. So how do you follow that? Well, it's impossible. Most of it is scam. Be careful out there. And also consider that not just meme coins, but AI-related coins might go up because of NVIDIA, because of Google AI, and because the announcements and Open AI. I'm going to tell you everything in our other channel, AI News, so follow us there. And thank you to our partners on Cointracking, link in the description below for a 10% in unit to track your portfolio. And remember, if you click on panel, you have this demo here. This guy doesn't have GME, doesn't have Dogecoin, but it has 1.92 Bitcoin. That's good. And he has to pay maybe some taxes if he is having some money because of these sales. So remember, in Spain, we have still time till June, but do your homework right now. And thank you today to Cointracking because they retweeted our video we created with them in their YouTube channel, Cointracking YouTube channel. And we are there with so many friends in the crypto sphere in Spanish. So if you haven't watched this video yet, just go there and watch it. Thank you very much. And about Trezor, be ready because we are going to start a promotion. I don't want to talk about it yet because I'm going to create a dedicated video. But if you buy a Trezor starting today, 15th May, till the end of the month, you might have one Trezor for free. So just this by now, but just know that if you use the link in the description below, just if you use that link, you help us. Thank you very much. And also you might have a Trezor for free, a Trezor Safe 3 for free. So participate there and keep on learning about Trezor. We are going to tell you the last information you need to know. Like, for example, have you tried already buying peer-to-peer in the Trezor suite? You can do that thanks to Avanti.io integration with Hodl Hodl. So you can now cut out the middleman and get your Bitcoin directly from the seller in a very simple, easy way. So do that now. And again, remember, you buy it, you can have one for free. And if you're not using a debit crypto card, use Bybit, the one we use. Link in the description below. You can get 25 euros just winning all the time here on CryptoNews with fun on the right. And with Bybit card, remember, you can make money with all these ways, but also we told you more in these videos dedicated to Bybit. So go to our channel and watch them. And then you'll know that you also get some airdrops like we had from M-Star. You can see here my rewards. The referral program works really, really well on Bybit. They also have then 100 euros that you can use on trading. And then you have that kind of airdrops. So use Bybit. Why wouldn't you? Link in the description below. They have a campaign now, 16 more days with IRLO. It's all winning just all the time. And that's a wrap for today. But we have this cat that is right now kind of amazed with all this crypto news we told you. Also, in some aspects, it's math because he missed an opportunity, maybe. He believes he was too late in the crypto market. I think it's still with time, but well, you see, it's a little bit angry. And also now just having a blast with this crazy cat section we have here on Crypto News, where we love eating watermelon, of course. Crypto News, fun on the right, health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!